Not me trying to be a natural mommy and all my hair is poofed up.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Alma and welcome back to the channel. So y'all, my hair is in this bun because it is humid in the state of Maryland. It's humid in the DMV. It's actually not cute. I got a silk press because the silk press literally lasted somewhere between 75 minutes to like 82, 83 minutes. So it did not last that long, and I tried to put the little, you know, braids in my hair, like twist, not braids, twist in my hair and wear it down, and that's how I've been wearing my hair of late, but it was not giving on the camera, so I just had to tie that junk up. So this video is a self-care video. I just came here to put y'all on to some affordable self-care goodies. I've been in the store stocking up, re-upping, and just purchasing new things, which I'm so excited to show you guys. So before I show you guys the stuff I picked up at Ulta, Sephora, and Target, I just really quickly want to show you guys some new perfumes I got. Big shout out to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. And if you guys have not heard about what Dossier is, please get up from that rock y'all been living under. If you haven't heard about Dossier, let me put y'all on so you guys are aware, because like, how do you not know? Dossier is a perfume brand that is killing the perfume game. They reproduce luxury scents and sell it at a fraction of the cost. Dossier's fragrances start from $29 and range anywhere from $29 to $59, so super affordable. And you guys, another great thing about Dossier besides the price is their return policy. If you get your hands on a Dossier fragrance which you do not love, you have 30 days to return. In my last video I did with Dossier, I mentioned that some of the perfumes do come with samples, like small sample bottles, but Dossier is actually trying to get rid of the sample bottles to eliminate plastic waste. So snaps and claps for Dossier. If you guys are on the Dossier's website and you're eyeing a couple fragrances, like you're eyeing like 3, 4, 5, 6, get them all, because Dossier has great discounts on bulk deals, and on top of that you get free shipping on orders that have 3 or more items. If you've never been on Dossier's website, get to going, get to typing, because they're constantly adding new scents on there. So thank you so much to Dossier for partnering me on this video. Everything you need to know about Dossier will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it. That includes website links, perfume names, and discount codes to save you some money. So definitely check it out. So I got 2 scents from Dossier. The first one is Floriental Vanilla and the second one is Floral Musk. I think I'm going to talk about the Floriental Vanilla one first. So Floriental Vanilla is inspired by YSL's Black Opium, which I do have right now, as you guys can see. So let's get into another fragrance comparison. I'm going to spray the Dossier on my left hand, your right, my left. So I'm going to spray that right here. My gosh, Dossier, like, bro, it smells so good. And then I'm going to spray the YSL Black Opium on my right hand, your left. Shake my wrist so, like, you know, the fragrance can mix my body chemistry or whatever. It's crazy because they smell the exact same. Y'all, like, I'm sorry, I just cannot stop smelling myself. Like, they literally smell the exact same. Dossier has done it again. Like, what? So far I've compared 2 Dossier scents and they are 2 for 2 so far, y'all. And this was literally a fraction of the cost. This smells just like this, but this is more affordable. This one is budget friendly. Dossier, shout out to you. Y'all did the dang thing. Like, y'all went off. If you're looking to purchase YSL's Black Opium but you don't want to spend that much money on it, honey, just get Dossier's Floriental Vanilla and you would not be disappointed. It smells the exact same. So the next scent I picked up was Floral Musk. This scent is inspired by Lancome's Idol. I don't know, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not really sure. Because I sprayed the other one on me, I'm just going to spray this one on an envelope. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I sprayed it on the envelope. The fragrance smells so fresh. It smells so clean. Like, it smells good. It's like a feminine perfume to me. It's giving more springtime though. I definitely feel like this is a springtime scent, or like early summer. I'm happy with this. I actually kind of want to spray it all over me now. Not me doing the shimmy. So thank you so much, Dossier. I'm so happy with both these scents. These scents smell amazing. I can't wait to add them to my collection. Like, right now I'm smelling so good. Like, that Floral Musk is really doing it for me. So Dossier, y'all did it. Y'all did it again. Like, shout out to y'all. Now I'm going to move to stuff I got from Target, and from Target I got a lot of body care stuff. So let's just get into it. Woo! So this bag is so heavy because, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, Okay, let me explain myself before I even show you guys this. I actually have a problem. When I like something, I can only pick up one. So yeah, I did it. Honestly, the reason why I got two is because the girlies on YouTube, like they convinced me. So basically, I love body wash, and you guys will see that I'm a body wash connoisseur. I just switch up my body wash on a daily. So I'm in the market for new body washes, and I heard a lot of good things about the Method body washes, and so I went to try it. But in particular, I was hearing a lot of great things about the green scent. I'm like, can it really be that good? Stuff that was listed on there, the cucumber, the seaweed, the green tea, I'm like, I think y'all gassing it. It really can't be that good. Y'all, it's so good. I was hearing that the green one gets like sold out a lot. So I just didn't want to experience that. So I picked up 2 bottles. And I feel like my little backstory, my explanation makes it better. Like I didn't just grab 2. Like they say it runs out fast and it smells really good. So I don't want to be disappointed when I go to Target next time and they don't have it. So I have 2. And this one is also from Method Body. And this let me explain myself. Like there's really an explanation. So like I said, I had to get 2 of the green ones. Like I could have gotten 1 green one and then 1 blue one, but like I just told y'all, they said the green one runs out. They didn't say nothing about the blue one running out, so I can always go back and get, you know, more blue ones. God willing, fingers crossed. But they was talking about the green one running out. I'm not trying to play no games with nobody, especially not Target. So I just picked up 1 blue one in addition to the 2 green ones I got. I picked this one up simply because I love the way it smelled. Like a lot of people were raving about the green one, like I said. I didn't hear too much conversation going on with the blue one, but this smelled so good. Like I actually cannot put it down. Actually, I did put it down and then I came back and got it because like I could not leave the store without it. It smells so good. Okay, I promise this is the last body wash. Please don't fight me. I need all these body washes. Everyone's going to ask me, do I literally need all these body washes? And the answer, as little Miss Jabria says, is yes. So basically, I got this body wash. This one is from Raw Sugar and it's the watermelon and fresh mint scent. The logic behind me getting this body wash is because I already do have the matching body scrub. And every time I use the body scrub, you guys, this smell lingers. Like it smells so good. I'm over here like, yo, who smells good? I'm like, that's right, it's me. And so I just feel like if I have the body wash and on the days I use that scrub, honey, like nobody can tell me nothing. Please smell it. Please smell this. Like please. Ooh. Speaking of that scrub, I'm going to show you guys a scrub I picked up from Raw Sugar. So like I said, I have the watermelon mint one and I initially was going to re-up on that one because I love the way it smelled. But I picked up this one instead, and this is the coconut and mango. It smells more mango-y to me though, which is good. Like, then I picked up some more scrubs. I picked up a couple from Tree Hut. So this one is the mocha and coffee bean. Okay, I'm making you read. Oh, that smells so good. It literally sounds like coffee. Honestly, I picked this up because I just like the way it smells. Like I felt like this would be a great scrub to use in the morning. And then I picked up another one. I picked up this one. This was the pink champagne one. This one I got a while ago. I got before some of the stuff, but I just saved it to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yo, that was so hard to get. This smells so good. The pink champagne one. I don't even know how to describe it. Just trust me, it smells bomb. I picked up a watermelon one. I picked up this watermelon one. Okay, hold on. Let me show you why I picked it up. Like, but the black watermelon seeds definitely sold me. And I feel like it would also pair nicely with the body wash I got earlier. Those are all the scrubs I picked up. Like, as y'all can see, our girl's gonna be well exfoliated. Now to continue with some of the stuff I got from Target. There go that plane again. I picked up another Olay body conditioner, and I started using body conditioners in high school, and I used Lush. Lush is African Pride, like that, or is it African Paradise? One of them. African somebody. It was literally the best body conditioner I have ever used in my entire life, but they discontinued it and I was so mad. And I recently found out about the Olay one. This is my second Olay body conditioner. This is my first time picking up this particular scent, but I've tried the other one, the Shea Butter. Yeah, I think it's Shea Butter. I tried that one, love it. I don't know if I love it as much as the Lush one. I think the Lush one is like top tier, like it's super up there. This one is a close second, but there's no more Lush, so this is gonna have to do. Then I picked up a couple feminine, products. So I got some Honey Pot wipes. They're normal wipes. I've not tried their wipes yet, and it says it can be used on your intimate parts, your face and your body, so that is good. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. I don't know what else to say, but yeah. Then I also got 2 of their foaming washes. I have used their foaming washes before, or their foaming wash before. I've only used the normal one, so I decided to pick another normal one up, but I also decided to pick the sensitive one because I just feel like it can't hurt, you know. I forgot to mention, I did pick up some candles from Bath & Body Works. So the first one I picked up is their pink lemonade, and it literally smells exactly like the name. Then I picked up another 3-wick candle. This one is the watermelon lemonade, and just like the last one, it smells exactly like the name. Watermelon does something for me. I love the smell of watermelon. Then I got a couple of single wick candles. So this one is pineapple mango. I already have this one in the 3-wick candle form, but I just got it in the single wick form. Then I picked up another just like the pineapple mango. I also do have the Island Margarita in a 3-wick candle form. Just wanted to get it in a single wick form. This candle is so strong. Like, as soon as I opened it, it like hit me. It smells so good though. Not summer, but you definitely cannot have too many mahogany teakwood candles. I got 2 for Sarah for her birthday. I got her like 2 of these 2 single wick candles. I also picked up 2 for myself. So yeah, these, y'all know what mahogany teakwood smells like. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which y'all have probably heard and seen a million times by now, but I finally picked up a full size. I do have the sample. I got it as a birthday gift from Sephora, but I felt like it was time to get the big one because I love that one so much. So this is the big one, and I decided to pick up the matching, you know, fragrance body mist, because why not? Like, I just feel like this will be a great combo for any summer day. So yes, these are the first 2 items I picked up from Sephora. I honestly didn't get much from Sephora. The next 3 things I'm going to show you guys all at once. So I picked up, now we buying 2 of the same things, but I picked up 3 Linage Lip Products. And that's because if you guys watch my pamper routine that I did during Vlogmas, I used one of these. I used like the original, is that the original scent? Like the berry scent. Yeah, I used the berry scent, the pink one. And I wanted to try another one. I really love the gummy bear scent. It smells so good. Like, the gummy bear scent I think is my new favorite. I can't open this right now. These nails not gonna stop me. I really love the gummy bear scent. I went to Sephora to like smell them to see which scent I would like, and this one just smells so good. It literally just smells so good. Oh my gosh. So that's exactly why I needed 2. And then I picked up their lip balm, their glowy lip balm in the peach scent, just because I wanted something, you know, on the go. But with everything going on, you want to limit the amount of dipping into products and putting on your lips. Like, that is not very sanitary. In the past I would do that, but I would always put hand sanitizer on before I dip and then put on my lips. But even with hand sanitizer now, I just don't want to do that at all. So I picked up this because I like the way this felt on my lips, and I just felt like I can just throw this one in my purse. So honestly, y'all, those are the things I picked up from Sephora. Real simple. It was just 5 things, 3 lip products and 2 body care things. So yeah, you guys, those are all the affordable self-care products I purchased recently. I got them from Ulta, Sephora, and Target. Thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Dossier got me down. Like, one thing about me, I'ma smell good. So shout out to Dossier. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week for my next video. Bye, beauties.
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.